Hello everyone, it's Hiren here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get sales on Clickbank like this. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $300 promoting Clickbank products for free. So this is for all the beginners that have been asking me that they have $0 to invest and can't build any website or can't build any funnels. So I'm going to show you the methods that really are easy and you can get started with without investing any money. The only thing that you need to do is send traffic to your affiliate link, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Here you can see some sales that I got in the last 20 days. Made $2,279. It is really easy to get sales when you find the right traffic, and I'm going to show you how to find the right traffic for a specific product. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and also if you're new to my channel, please press the subscribe button, because I upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, and you don't want to miss out on that. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into this video. First of all, I'm going to show you how to create your Clickbank account. So go on Clickbank, and right here in the right corner you can see create account. It's really easy to create account. It's 100% free, so you don't have any risk on losing any money or something like that. It is 100% free. You can go and create your Clickbank account. After you're done with that, you want to click on affiliate marketplace, and we're going to jump in a specific niche. We're going to search for President of United States. I'm going to explain why we are doing this. Right now you can see Trump 2020 gold coin. We're going to promote this product. I want to explain why we are going to be promoting specifically this product. You can see when I click on the link of this affiliate link, it says 62 million people voted for our president and they all need this coin. So there are 62 million people that voted for Donald Trump, and I want to explain how you can promote this product with free traffic and you can get a lot of sales. You can see it's 100% free, but when you click, of course, on the buy button, you need to pay for shipping. So shipping and handling for one coin is around $6.95. After that, if you want to buy two, you have to pay almost $9 for that. Basically, they're selling the product for free, but they're going to charge for shipping and handling. So that is how this method works. Now I want to explain how you can promote this coin. When you click on affiliate tools, I want to show you this funnel on average converts from 5 to 10%. So that means when you send traffic to this affiliate link, let's say you send 100 people to this affiliate link, and 10 people probably would buy. And you can see here the average commission per customer is around $20. Once the customer enters the funnel, they go through 5 different offers. So they're going to get 5 different offers. That is what we call upsells. When they buy these upsells, you're going to be earning commission on all of those. That is why this is really a great product to promote. So I'm going to show you how you can easily do this without creating any website. I'll show you how you can promote this product for free. And let's see over here. You can see the average rebill for this product is $420. So basically you're selling this product for free on the front end, but on the back end you're going to be selling a lot of other products to your customers, and which are going to be highly interested to them. Let's click on promote, and you want to enter your affiliate ID right here. So basically This is how Clickbank knows that you have sent a sale to them. When you enter the Clickbank ID right here and click on generate, we're going to get this specific and special affiliate link that you're going to use to let Clickbank know that you have sent them a sale. If they buy the product, you're going to earn commission only if a customer buys the product. You need to find actually people that are going to buy this product, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, take this affiliate link and we are going to use tiny URL to make our link look much better. You can see right here it looks much better. Let's click on copy, and we're going to use the affiliate link to send our customers to this landing page. What I want you to do is go on Facebook. There are few methods that I'm going to show you. If you go on Facebook and search for Donald Trump, you're going to find a ton of pages related to Donald Trump. You don't want to use the main page, but you can see there are different ones. Example, this one has 4.2 million likes on this page, and there are a lot of videos here. You can see some of them have a lot of views, lot of shares. You can see this video has 332,000 views just in 2 hours. So what you can do is go to the comment section, find the top comment, and on the top comment click on reply, and post your affiliate link. And we are going to copy this. Over 62 million voted for our president. They all need this coin. And type in, say check this out. After you post, it takes a few seconds to get live. Here the coin is showing up. So this does not mean that 332,000 people are going to see this comment, but at least a few thousand people are going to see it. And let's say 500 people are going to click on your link. We could get a few orders from that. But you don't want to just post one comment, because that will not bring you that many sales. And of course you don't even want to spam those pages with a lot of affiliate links, because you're going to get banned for spamming them. So I would say you post one comment per page and stay safe from getting banned. Our second way to get traffic to your affiliate link is Reddit. You can see on Reddit political posts where you can find the top comment and reply and post your affiliate link. You can see how many people have voted for this comment. 3,400 people. So that means over 50,000 people saw this comment. So you want to go and reply with your affiliate link. But again, if you try to spam, if you try to post a lot of links, you're going to get ghosted. So you want to do this method without getting noticed. And the people that own these forums and Facebook pages, when they see a lot of posts that are being made with only affiliate links, they'll be ghosting you. So you'll have to post maybe 1 or 2 links per day. Another method that you can use to get some targeted traffic is of course Google. What you want to do is search for news, click on tools, and in the last 24 hours you can see a lot of news and you can post comments on them. It is really important that you find fresh new news, because these pages are going to be getting millions of views. You have to search for websites that offer to post comments. Here you can see BBC. BBC doesn't allow to post comments. So you get the point. You have to find news sites that allow you to post comments. Once you find them, you're going to be posting your comments with your affiliate links, and you'll be getting traffic to your affiliate link, and you'll start making sales. This is a really easy way to start making money on Clickbank. So once you find these websites that allow you to post comments, post your comments with your affiliate links, and you'll start getting traffic to your affiliate links, and you'll be making some sales, and you'll be earning money from this. This is a really easy way to get started with making money on Clickbank. If this is something that you're really interested in, I'll be posting a video on how to earn with paid traffic and Clickbank. So make sure you press that like button and press the subscribe button to get notified when I post the next video. So that's it for today. Bye bye.